Hello class. Today I'll be going over a lesson that was in Khan Academy on figuring out how many cubes you can fit into a rectangular prism of a certain volume. And these cubes all have fractional lengths. So for the first problem, a rectangular prism with a volume of 2 cubic units is filled with cubes with side lengths of 1/4 of a unit. And it's asking how many 1/4 unit cubes does it take to fill the prism. So they give us the volume of the rectangular prism, and that is 2 cubic units, but we only have the side length of the cubes. In order to figure out how many cubes are going to fit into the rectangular prism, we have to find the volume of the cube first. So we're going to start there. So for the cube, it's going to be the 1/4 unit side length times itself 3 times, because the length, width, and height will all be the same, which ends up being 1/64 units cubed, or cubic units. Now, once you have the volume of the cube, you can then take that volume and divide it into the volume of the rectangular prism, which is 2 cubic units. So I'm going to take that 2, I'm going to take the 2 and I'm going to divide it by the volume of the cube. So in this case, we're going to take 2/1 and we're going to divide it. We're going to divide it by 1/64. And then if you remember, if we're dividing by a fraction, we're going to use keep, change, flip. So we're going to take the first number, we're going to keep the first number, we're going to change it to multiplication, and then we're going to flip the last number, which really just ends up being the same thing as saying 2 times 64. Which is 128 cubic units, or sorry, 128 cubes. It was asking how many cubes would fit, and that would be the number right there. In the second problem, it's asking how many cubes with side lengths of 1/3 centimeters would take to fill this prism, and it gives us the side lengths of the prism as well. So the first thing to do for this one is to find the volume of the actual rectangular prism. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our formula for volume, which is length times width times height. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put in the values that we're given. So for this, the volume is going to equal to 5/3 times 4/3 times 2, or 2/1. So if we're just multiplying the top numbers first, we're going to do 5 times 4 times 2, which gives us 40. And then the bottom numbers, 3 times 3 times 1, which gives us 9. So for that, it's going to be 49th cubic centimeters. So cubic centimeters. And now we're going to take that and we're going to divide it by the volume of the cube. So for the cube, all of the side lengths are 1/3. So it's going to be 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3 which ends up being 1 over 27. And then just like we did on the other one, we're going to divide the volume of the cube into the volume of the rectangular prism. So we're going to take 40/9 and we're going to divide it by 1 over 27, which is the same thing as saying 40/9 times 27 over 1. And I'm going to actually show those fractions a little differently because that way I can show you the cross canceling here. So 40/9, and then I'm going to put my times, and then we're going to put our, now it's 27 over 1 instead of 1 over 27. And if you look here, you can see that 9 would go into 27. So 9 goes into itself once and into 27 3 times, which means I'm now going to do 40 times 3, which gives me 120 as my answer. So it would take 120 cubes. So there's the 120 cubes right there. All right, and for the last problem, or for the last couple problems, okay, so this next one, for number 3, it's asking how many rectangular, or how many cubes with side lengths of 1/3 unit will fit into a rectangular prism with a volume of 4 cubic units. Again, for a unit cube, to find the volume first, you're going to take 1/3 and multiply it times itself 3 times, which really is the same thing as saying 1/3 to the 3rd power. That's really what that is. So we're just going to make that just like that. And 1/3 to the 3rd power is actually going to give me 1 over 27. And then just like with the other problems, we're going to take that and we're going to divide it into the volume of the rectangular prism. So that's going to end up being, we're going to take 4 over 1 and divide it by 1 over 27, which is the same thing as saying 4 times 27, which happens to be 108, which is how many cubes would fit. Okay, and then this last problem is asking how many cubes with side lengths of 1/2 a centimeter would it take to fill this prism, and it gives us our side length for the prism. So again, the first thing I'm going to want to do here is I'm going to want to take and find the volume. I'm going to want to find the volume of the rectangular prism. So 2 1/2 is actually the same thing as 5/2. So that's going to be my side length for that one. So it's going to end up being 5/2 times 2 times 1, which is the same thing as saying 5 times 2 is 10 divided by 2, which would be 5. So it ends up being 5 centimeters cubed. So we have 5 cubic centimeters for the rectangular prism. And if the cube is 1/2 for the side length, so it'd be 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1/8 cubic centimeters. So then I'm going to take and divide the volume of the rectangular prism by the volume of the cubes, which is 1/8. And if I use my keep change flip, I'm going to do 5/1 now times 8/1, or 5 times 8, which means 40 cubes would fit into that rectangular prism. Okay, I hope this clears up any questions you have about this lesson. Let me know if you have any more questions. Have a great day.